Hi, Kaya. How are you today? Are you a big girl in your jumper? Hi, honey. Can you tell us a story? Really? What else do you have to say? Where are you going? Kaya. Hey. Hi, big girl. Hi. Hi, honey. Kaya. Can you smile? Can you? Hey. Hi, honey. Really? Really? Were you talking about... Oh. Oh. Were you saying that you miss Uncle Paul and you can't wait to see him next week? Oh, yeah. Is that right? Are you excited to see all your relatives on Thanksgiving? You are. Okay. Oh. Okay. Come back here. Where are you going? Hey, you. Hi. Can you say goodbye? Can you say goodbye?